This is the hilarious mountain of my Vuyan, and my brother is on the walk. He is eating the bananas at the Vuyan peaks. He is enjoying along the peaks of Vuyan. Right now he is going down along the peaks, taking the banana in his mouth. He is trying to ball it, and you can see here the mountains of Vasturvan can be seen from this angle. From this angle you can see the beautiful mountains of Vuyan, and you can also hear the stones rolling down. This is the type of stone that you can find here in our mountains, especially if you take a look at this type of stone. This is widely igneous type of rocks, and there are so many herbs that are being grown here. You can take a look at this herb. It's extremely different kind of herb that's grown in such type of mountains which are having low, how can say, scarcity of rainfall. And you can also see this kind of flower grown here. It is naturally grown. We call it kahwa in our own language. When we were small children, we were taking these kahwas. This is my small brother with me. He is trying to have the sip of this kahwa, and he is smelling it and watching every bit of this. There is another type. This is, I think, this is the xerophytic vegetation. Here you can see these are the trees having, these have the needle shape of leaves. Due to scarcity of rainfall, you can see there are mostly kika trees are grown in this area from our side. My brother is also having the mobile in his hand and is trying to film out all these things. You can see this is the rocks. These are the rock fragments. It is weathering actually that has taken place. The above mountains, and the rocks are sliding down beneath and rolling down, and finally they are being converted into soil. You can see, if you have to see different various kind of geographical things here, you can see here every sort of geographical feature. And you may see from this side also there are so many flowers that are grown here, but these flowers are widely grown, and these flowers are mostly found in those areas which have scarcity of rainfall. As I told you, this other kind of flower that is grown here and is also grown naturally, and this is also and from this side you can also see that these flowers are widely grown in the rocks beneath. There are so many rocks. Okay, and you can see here my brother is having the pictures. He's clicking. You can see now. I'll show you the mountains here. These are the beautiful mountains. These are the mountains of Vuyan, and these mountains are having tough topography. These are actually the mountain chains of Pir Panjal. These are the Pir Panjal mountains, and these mountains are also devoid of any sort of vegetation. As you can see, there is no water, and the erosion is going on here, especially in these slopes, and these pebbles are being collected downside, and people are trying to convert these places into dwelling places. And you can also see the effect of urbanization here, and you can see polythenes everywhere. This is really sort of painful affair that you can see man and nature day by day are losing their harmony.